Alright, how's it going, guys? My name is Kenzie is Natty, and I'll be playing the game KRULL. So, reason I'm playing KRULL, and obviously my name is Natty, so there's the I, and there's no I in KRULL. It's because the other few games that I tried to play with my initials, it wasn't acting correctly. I was trying to use the keys to maneuver the player, and it just simply wouldn't work. So, I'm gonna go with KRULL. Um, so a little bit about KRULL, excuse me. So KRULL is it was developed by David Staugus, and it was created by Atari. It's a 2600 video game, and it's actually based on a 1983 science fantasy film. Um, so let's get started. So first part of the game I'm about to play. So it's a basically like I said, it's from the 1983 film, and it takes place with I'm the player and I'm maneuvering. So my name is Calvin, and I'm at a wedding with Lisa, and there's these abductors, and they're slayers, and so they take Lisa away from me. There's nothing I could do about it, but it's just a little something, a little beginning part of the game to get you, hooked on it. And then the second part, you'll see in a moment. So let's get started. So the keys I'm using are J, H, U, and N for my right, left. So yeah, you see I can't really do anything. They pretty much say. So yeah, that's them like abducting her. So yeah, this next level is just a layer of widow of webs. So pretty much I have to maneuver through the webs, and there's only certain parts of the webs where I can maneuver through. Um, the other parts I cannot. So if you look closely, it's like the white thin. It's like the the um the brighter white perforations. That's the parts I can maneuver through. Others I cannot. And then I also have to be careful about the starter. So I definitely like this part of the game. It's challenging, and it actually allows me to actually kind of win, unlike the first part. Only thing I don't like is the small white threads that I have to get into. If I can't, then kind of sucks. There we go. And also, like the music starts to expedite whenever the spider's getting close to me, and then it looks like it's gonna capture me. Which I like and don't like because it's almost like a premeditated death. Like that should give me a chance, just like that. Let's try again. So yeah, like I said, the second part, I have to try to get to the top where that gray rectangle is, and I have to get through these white threads. It's called the layer of webs, I believe, the widow of web. So I have to jump in between these threads. Trying to get some progress going. Here we go. Oh, we're on something. Oh no! What the heck? Yeah, just like that. That's the only thing I hate. Let's try this again. Overall, it's a very interesting game. I like it a lot. Nice graphics for an '83 game. Very interesting. Definitely would have been awesome back in the day to see this for the first time. Move, come on, come on, move. There we go. There you go. Move, move. Try not to get caught. There we go. But yeah, that's pretty much the game KRULL, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.